ang Gondel, guys.
Hello po sa iyo lahat.
Hello.
This time, fresh na fresh, Donnie. Di ba, hindi ka ba? Hindi
Kaya,
hindi from the set.
Hindi
Yes,
siya
that's
bingo
right.
ngayon.
Pero you guys look awesome. It's the day of pasasalamat. Ano lang muna gusto niyo sabihin sa Don Bell supporters natin?
Wow, grabe. Sa kanila namin, siguro, may ibibigay yung day of pasasalamat. Kasi sa kanila talaga tong day na to. Because of everything they've put out just to show us their support, their efforts, how much they love us. And we hopefully will be able to return that, as we work hard. And yeah, we're just very grateful for them. We're super grateful for you guys. Sobrang excited kami na makita kayo mamaya sa pinakaunang masasalamat na mga show namin.
Yes.
We Can Buy Me Love. And wow, it's been a while, no?
Yeah, oh my gosh. Kaya nga.
We've just been working a lot.
So I agree na sa kanila namin dinededicate yung pasasalamat na to. And yeah, we miss them so much. I miss singing with them. I miss just saying hi to them. I miss hugging them. And I wish I could hug them all later. So,
Meron pa kayo parang mga one thing that really stuck with you? I'm sure sobrang dami. Sa everyday na bawat galaw nyo, napapansin nila, ina-analyze nila, gumagawa pa sila sa sarili nilang interpretation. Yung mga regalo or message that kept you going, oh my God, sobrang this stood out.
wow. Do you remember one time when we were there? You said this before. We went to the picnic. Kasi may ano ng big pieces. Tapos yung paper niya merong yung nasa nasa acknowledgements.
Yeah. Sabi mo, we want to thank
Yeah.
Donnie.
Ano saan?
Thesis
thesis
talaga
siya.
ng college na
Sa
paper.
Italy. Grabe!
Grabe talaga
Hindi
nakasabi.
man-
It was a book, ha? Hindi siya yung report.
Oo.
Talagang hard copy na
Actually,
libro. So,
Would you
Research
remember kung ano tungkol sa inyo research niya? Was it about you guys?
Tanong ba natin? Hindi ko natanong eh. Pero yan, kung nanonood po kayo, sabihin niya sa amin ko about what yung research paper niyo.
That's a big deal. Sinama kayo sa thesis.
Yes. And like, for me, another thing is, whenever I see them and they call me Ling, they call me Caroline instead of Belle. Like, sabi ko, oh my gosh, thank you. So they really watch Can't Buy Me Love. It's sobrang grabe yung pasasalamat and suporta na binibigay nila.
ako po, MJ, I was taping 2 weeks ago or something. We were in BGC.
Oh.
And then, moving from location to location, I went downstairs to the lobby. There was a 93-year-old daughter.
Oh my God.
And she didn't know I was there. It just so happened she was walking with her daughter. And then she was like, oh my gosh, Donnie, ikaw yung pinapanood ko everyday.
Oh my God.
Sabi niya, lahat ng movies pinapanood ko, gano'n. Sabi niya, maraming salamat kasi pinapasaya niya yung buhay ko.
Oh my God. Oo.
And kasama ko nung time yun si Tita Hagot and Tito Rowell. And sobrang ako na-overwhelmed kasi grabe. Naglalakad pa siya, sobrang lakas niya. And sabi niya, yun yung nilalook forward niya sa daan. So yung mga ganong bagay, sobrang hindi ko alam kung paano mag-react sa mga ganun eh. Actually, ako pa nga nagpa-picture sa kanya. Sabi ko, pwede ko ba mag-picture sa inyo, Lola? So, I forgot her first name, but if you're watching,
I'm sure.
Lola,
Kuchi.
I miss you. Pero super nice to see those interactions. It really makes our day. And to us, parang lahat ng pinagtrabahuan namin, if we're having a very long day, a tiring day, we just remember those types of people.
Grabe. But imagine 90s. And
Diba?
even, I would think Gen Z, di ba? That who really, stalks you guys. Pero speaking of that, sabi mo nga si Bing Ling. Parang isip ko, Chinese lang, Bing Ling, di ba? Parang
Diba?
ganun, di ba? Pero
Sumigat na naman yung Bing Ling cargo na kasi
Oo.
dati.
Cargo.
Bing Ling, mas gusto ko yung
Bing Ling.
Bing
Pero,
Ling.
or yung Tarzan and
Xing Zhan.
Shenzhen.
Darling.
Oh, pwede! Instead of darling, darling.
Yeah.
But yeah, yung all black ensemble, ang dami nang gumagaya.
I know.
Like, grabe, di ba? I mean, it's a trend. How do you feel about that?
Huwag nyo lang gagawin sa wedding na gano'n.
Oo.
Kasi
Huwag niyo gagawin sa tingnan.
Oo.
Yan lang.
Pagalitan kayo.
Pero yeah,
Mag-showdown na naman kayo ni pagka nag-all black ka.
gumawa na naman po siya ng Excel.
Gagawa ng
Si
Excel.
Caroline.
Oo.
Yeah. Black is Caroline's color talaga.
Yes. Yes. And
It says so much about
you
you.
want to give a shout out to your style team who, puts out like black and
Oh yeah,
all the
actually lahat kami may inputs na about Caroline. Because what I love about Caroline, like super edgy nung fashion niya. You can see na parang medyo puro, how can I describe it?
It's so hard to pull off black in different looks.
Yeah. Actually, yun yung isa sa mga, ano yan? Isa sa mga na-discover namin throughout this journey. Ang hirap pala mag-style ng black,
Yeah.
pero ang ganda niya, once you wear it, like you can match it with everything.
Super. And yun nga, it created the whole, yung kumbaga pagiging badass ng character mo.
Yes.
And si Bingo your producer was telling me a while ago na you had pala immersion din sa Divisoria. Even before Can't Buy Me.
Yeah.
Oh my God, diba? Kaya naman pala, last time you said na parang you feel like extension mo na yung Binondo. Ang galing din because isa sa mga best feedbacks that we saw about the show is sobrang natural when you deliver your lines.
Wow.
Ang hirap yung bagas.
Mahirap pero na-enjoy ko kasi grabe talaga yung parang na-internalize ko talaga yung culture nila doon. It's really nice to be able to be a part of something like, for example, like I said before, the Philippine Chinese culture. And me, before, I would pass by Binondo, I know about Binondo. I went through the food tour before with my family, but to really live there and to really see how people just live their daily lives. Hindi lang yung mga Pinoy, pero yung talaga pure Chinese, half.
Chinoy.
Yeah, may Chinoy din. Pero meron din pure Chinese.
Oo.
And, kasi yung mga vendors doon, marunong mag-Chinese. Yung ganung level. Kasi syempre, yung mga customers nila, yung mga may-ari ng ibang shops, Chinese, Filipino Chinese.
What I love about Binondo is like it feels like you're in a whole different world.
Exactly. I really
Yeah.
feel like
Like
I'm
another
somewhere
country.
else. And it's
May
so
ganun pala
nice.
tayo.
Yun nga, sobrang
beautiful.
astig na meron tayong ganun.
Oo.
Binondo's
Kasi hindi natin alam. Kung hindi tayo nag-Can't Buy Me lang, marami
Yeah.
may hindi alam.
Pero gusto ko na parang we give importance to Binondo as well.
Yeah.
Like a lot of the locals there, they watch the show and they tell us that, it's nice to see this location here. Marami nga nag-tweet sa amin na parang, or hindi lang tweet, nagsasend ng mga pictures na, uy, nasa kaya si Bingo tsaka si Ling, sinesend nila yung picture ng tenement, yung mga restaurants namin, kung saan kami nag-adventure, dun sa Binondo. Ang galing lang.
Speaking of adventure, yung last adventure nyo, nag-trending yung Venus mo, na tumakas ba kayo sa set? Ano ba yun? Nakakatuwa naman yun. Like, some downtime.
Di ba sabi natin,
Amusement
Direk,
park
may
ba yun?
titignan lang na.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, Direk, set up pa ba kayo? Sabi ni Direk, Donnie, set up kami. Sabi ko, okay,
Next thing
babalik
you
po
know,
kami. Tapos narinig na lang nila yung screams.
sumisigaw kami. Next thing you know, nandun na kami sa
Roller coaster.
But if you get those chances, ganun talaga, you guys are really like that off-cam. Talagang hahanap kayo ng downtime to recharge.
Oo naman, nag-shoot nga kami ng scene.
Ano scene yung mabigat ba?
Kagabi.
Ano sabihin?
Bakit may
Baka
sasal
sabihin
pa?
mo yung eksena kahapon.
Basta may sinot kami kagabi.
Sobrang bigat, grabe. Joke.
Hindi. Ang dami naming time. Hindi naman sobra, pero we had time to also have fun.
It's nice.
Yeah. So, no, it was nice
Ano ginawa
because...
niyo?
Ha?
Ano ginawa niyo?
Basta, panoorin nyo na lang.
Makikita namin sa eksena.
Maganda yung eksena eh.
Cute.
Pero kahit sa off-cam, ginawa rin namin yung mga ibang doon.
Yeah, and the roller coaster was
Bagay.
off-cam, so...
Yeah. Sabi mo, hindi mo
Yeah.
papanood eh.
Mapapanood yung...
I-post nyo
Location,
na lang ulit
kung
para
saan.
maging masaya kami. I-post nyo na lang ulit.
Pero fun yung eksena kagabi, di ba?
Okay.
The whole day was really fun
So,
yesterday.
Pero ano
Super
kayo
nice.
naging downtime nyo?
Downtime?
Hindi kasi nung last time sumakay kayo nung, ano ba yung roller coaster ba yun?
Yes, in the roller coaster.
May ginawa rin kaming something na exciting.
Na ipopost nyo rin. Sana ipost nyo.
Pwede.
Sino?
Oo, may post,
Pwede,
may post.
pwede. My turn.
Ay, ikaw naman
My
post.
turn. I love it. And last na lang, anong gift nyo na lang sa isa't isa for the holiday
Ba't ko
season?
sasabihin? Hindi alam yan ah.
Hindi, mga chikang gift. Yung mga pwede nyo lang i-share, syempre.
Gusto mo yung gift ko kagabi? I just remembered it now.
Yeah.
Hindi, pero hindi pa rin yun. Naalala mo?
Yeah.
When?
Yeah, no, you told
Oo.
me.
Okay.
Yeah. When I,
And then, di ba, I gave you a gift last
last
night?
night.
Ano yun?
Ha?
You
Hindi,
want to
basta, huwag na.
Damit? Ano ba
Ah.
yun? Bagay?
I can say. You
Huh?
want me to say?
Huwag na, okay na.
Baka ma-pressure yung mga guys, ha? Baka ma-pressure ka.
No, it's
Hindi,
something simple.
Ay, something, I don't know kasi where we were, if you say. No ba? Yeah.
Oo, parang wala yun. Ang
Oh, sige,
dami-dami nun
sige,
sa
sige.
mundo.
Sabihin mo, gusto mo.
No, he gave me Barney. A Barney stuffed toy. A small.
Dahil kasi sobrang fan siya ng Barney. And in our location, there was this small area that had a
Barney.
Barney. Sabi niya, can you please get it for me? Eh, nagsushoot kami. Tapos nagulat na lang siya sa dulo, binigay.
Because in order for you to get it, you have to play something.
Wow. So parang alam ko na saan kayo.
Ha?
Oo.
Oo, basta, wala naman kami
Yung effort,
sinasabi.
It was the effort to get the gift.
Did you play?
Huh? I might have talked to the person there.
Hindi nagsisinungaling si Donnie. Ang galing. Honest siya. Congratulations guys sa Can't Buy Me Love.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ayun na yun. Charot. Ayun na yun.